Alright guys, the 4 valve 4.6 liter motor is back on the stand, and I'm genuinely starting to believe that this motor likes to be on the stand more than it likes to be in the damn car. Alright guys, the 4 valve 4.6 liter motor is back on the stand, and I'm genuinely starting to believe that this motor likes to be on the stand more than it likes to be in the damn car. Hopefully this is the last time it's gonna be out, and there's a lot of small stuff that I want to get done on this motor, and I'm gonna do it while it's out now. We're gonna fix those rings. I'm gonna take my time, and we're gonna get the ring gap on this thing perfect. I'm going to go through the heads again and make sure that all of those valves are seating. So I'm going to be taking the retainers and the springs out and making sure that I lap all of the valves so that we don't have any compression loss through that. I'm going to be touching up a lot of this wiring. Like you can see, a lot of this has like tape on it, and it just doesn't look nice. I'm going to do my best to get some wire loom tape and wire it up properly. Other than that, I think I'm gonna change this color just because I want to go away from the color that's had my car running bad, and it has nothing to do with being red. I just want to change it from this color to another color. Not sure what that color might be yet, but we are going to be changing it, and praying that this is the last time that this motor comes out because of mechanical failure, which means that either I mess something up or something's worn out. I want to be able to beat on this car for at least a year and a half before we pull it back out. Go with a forged crankshaft, forged pistons, forged rods, and run some boost through this thing using either a turbocharger or a supercharger. But for the time being, the next time you see this motor, I'm not gonna time lapse the video. I'm actually gonna take my time and show you guys taking everything apart, so that the moment I see something that's broken, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna have full transparency. I'm not trying to run from anything, like to make it seem like the motor just broke and I didn't mess up. I am actually at fault with those piston rings, so I know that for sure. But if it isn't that, it might be something in the head, who knows. But no matter what it is, we're gonna get to the bottom of it so that you guys can learn from it and you don't have to make the same mistake that I did. But for right now, that's all, guys. If you want to donate to the channel to help me with these builds, you can go right down in the description below. You'll find my PayPal link, you'll find my Facebook, my TikTok, and you'll find my Instagram as well. If you guys want to contact me about 4-valve swapping your vehicles, I'm always willing to help you guys. And thank you so much for watching today's videos. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, don't drift without your dreams. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.